Hey guys, how's it going? Here's a quick tutorial on how to use the Sync Manager tool by M3dida LLC. So this tool is great for when you work on a large team and everyone's having trouble because everyone's syncing over each other. As you know, syncs can take up to in between a minute, 5 minutes, 30 minutes. So they're very painful and long. And oftentimes like you have to sit there for a while. So this will help with that. So you can coordinate everyone's syncs. And so to that, we're going to go to add-ins and we're going to find our Sync Manager button, hit that. So we log in, and so as you can see, we have a couple people already on the team that are ready in order to sync or in the queue. And so we have Jenny, John, Grace, and Miguel. And so as you see on their times, we have Jenny and John, they synced at the same time. So looks like Jenny's going to go first, and then we have Grace here at 3:25:40, so a couple seconds later. And then a couple seconds after that, we have Miguel. And we're going to go ahead and get in line for that too. And so now we're in line for that. All right, and so Jenny's first, so she's going to go ahead and sync. And here we go. Jenny's gone, and then now it's John's turn. So John's going to go. And then now Grace. And now Miguel. And then it's our turn. And then we have a countdown timer. So if the countdown timer reaches 0, it'll go ahead and sync because we have a checkbox. If not, it'll remove from queue. So this one's going to go ahead and sync for us. And project has been synced. All right, that's the end of the demo. I'm going to show you guys in detail now how it works. Hey guys, welcome to the tutorial on how to use the Sync Manager tool by M3dida LLC. This tool is great for when you work on a large team in Revit and people keep on syncing all over each other. So this tool will prevent that. So one person will sync at a time. Okay, let me show you how it works. So we're going to go to Sync Manager button, and here we have a fresh project. So here I'll go ahead and sign out for you guys. So log out button, hit that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and sign up as a new person. Alright, yeah, so we're going to go ahead and sign up as a new user. There we go. So Sync Manager button, and then we're going to create a new account really quick. So enter in our email, and then confirm the email, and then password for whatever you want. And then we're going to do company name. So I'll just say, and then we're going to hit sign up. And then you'll get a confirming email. You have to check your inbox for that. So it'll be in your inbox or in your junk folder. Sometimes that happens, unfortunately. So we're going to hit OK. And then hit the Sync Manager button. And now it's trying to log us in. So since we're in a fresh project and we don't have a Sync Manager project, we're going to hit Add Current Project. And then say a .txt file is being created wherever the root folder is of your central file is. So in this case, mine is on my desktop because it's a demo. And we're going to hit OK. And then now we've logged in. And so if we hit Add to Queue, you can test it. You'll see that name has popped up right here. Okay. And so remove from queue. And then if you need to share this project with anyone else, you can hit this button. So and this will have the credentials. So it'll have the project title, the GUID, it'll have an access code. And then of course, if the .txt file ever gets deleted from your project or from your computer, you can always hit save info to central file again, okay? So we're gonna close. And if you ever need to log onto a project, so for example, if you create a project and your teammate wants to join onto this Sync Manager program, you can, you're gonna have them go to the Find or Add. And so they're entering the information that you got from this button, and they're entering that in here, and then they'll be able to join on. So this is for when like you've created the project and you want them to join on. Okay. All right. And here's a quick example. So you can see here that we got John Doe who entered in the queue at 3:34 and 42 seconds. Then we got Jane Doe who entered in the queue at 3:35 and 42 seconds. So a minute later. And then we're going to add ourselves. And then, see, John is going to sync. So John just synced. And then now it's Jane's turn. So now Jane has a pop-up box showing that it's her turn to sync. And then now it's our turn to sync. And you can see countdown timer starts. And if we go ahead and uncheck this again, then we'll go ahead and just remove our name from the queue. Alright. Alrighty guys, that's it for this one. I hope you enjoy the tool. If you like this tool, please like and subscribe. And let me know if you guys need any other tools. Alrighty guys, see you on the next one.